Welcome to my Explain Everything about Explain Everything. Explain Everything is a multi-purpose whiteboard and screencasting tool. It can import a wide variety of media, ranging from pictures and videos to PDFs and PowerPoints. You can then annotate directly on these items and add animations. You can also do voice narration over the slides as you move through them. When you're done, you can output it as an MP4 video file, which is playable on almost any device. In a sense, it's like a narrated PowerPoint, except with much more flexibility and functionality. This is Explain Everything at its most basic, a whiteboard that you can draw on. As you can see, you can record the animations as you draw them, so that when you play it back, you can see it drawn on the screen. Each object is a movable object, and your movements are recorded as you do them, in the case of the square that I'm animating. Finally, there is a built-in laser pointer, and your motions with the laser pointer are recorded as you do them. You can also set the stage with text and figures already on the screen, as in this case. Here you can see that 45 times 3 was already there, while I'm writing in the answer. You can import PDFs into Explain Everything from a variety of sources. In this case, I've chosen to import a PDF from my Google Drive. Each PDF page will get its own slide in Explain Everything. As you can see at the bottom, I now have 12 slides because the PDF had 12 pages. I can now move through each page of the PDF as its own slide. And on any given page, I can annotate directly on the PDF, and those recordings are saved with my presentation. You can also import PowerPoints into Explain Everything. In this case, I'm importing a course orientation PowerPoint from a course that I took at WPI, which resides in my Dropbox. And just like with the PDF, it will create an Explain Everything slide for each PowerPoint slide. And just like the PDF example, you can move through the slides and add annotations and voice narrations as you go. As you can see in this example, I have 7 Explain Everything slides because the original PowerPoint had 7 slides. I can now move through the slides and Explain Everything and draw on the PowerPoint and record those annotations. You can also import video into Explain Everything. In this case, I've added a video that I took the other day of a squirrel that decided to play outside the help desk window. While the video is playing, I can draw directly on the slide in the video, and those drawings are recorded as part of the Explain Everything presentation. Beyond that, I can move the video while it's playing, and that animation is recorded as part of the presentation. Explain Everything also includes various arrow icons, which can be inserted while you're narrating. And thus concludes my very brief overview of Explain Everything. It has a lot more functionality than I've showed you, but hopefully you have an idea of what it can do.